Okay, I'm here at the graduation of CebGo Batch 10. It's the first graduation of the year, which we are attending here. And in a few minutes, you guys will have their wings and they'll be flying with you to different areas here in the country. So again, this is CebGo Batch 10, and we are here to witness them receive their wings. So in a few minutes, we'll be proceeding there. All right? Say hi to everyone. This is them. Hi. All 29, right? 29, yeah. 29 new flight attendants just today from CebGo. All right? So see you there. See you there in a bit, and we'll be starting in a few minutes. After a long time, guess who's joining? This guy. After a long absence from joining flyhighmanila TV, flyhighmanila projects, he's back. Graduation kasi, kaya excited. Yeah, he's back.
Everyone, my name is flyhighmanila, my partner for today,
Rachel No, and we are the instructors of CebGo's Batch 10. Today, we will be witnessing the class hard-earned graduation day.
Last February 18, 30 trainees from Cebu, Tacloban, Tarlac and Manila came together to fulfill the proverbial childhood dream. On day one, you were uncertain whether you were enlisted for a cabin crew training or a variety show. Do you remember that day? Yes! We asked each one of you to display your talent, and all of you were nervous but willingly obliged. Most sang a song, some even did a catwalk, a lalapa walk. But in your mind, you were saying, oh, training will be easy, chill lang, right? Yes. But then day 2 came, and it all changed. Cabin crew training was not a variety show after all, but a military boot camp. Batch 10, you will finally receive your most deserved wings, the symbol of her perseverance. And on Wednesday, April 17, the start of the Holy Week, you will now practice what you have learned.
Basically, we're in this part where the graduates receive their wings. It's the highlight usually of any cabin crew graduation event. It's like the wing is like a symbol that they're official cabin crew. It's like the badge of a police or of a fireman. It's an official symbol that's pinned right on their chest. So we are in this point already. Again, this is CebGo Batch 10.
Working as a cabin crew is not all about flying or going to different destinations. This job has a lot more to offer. It is not just about putting on makeup, wearing our high heels and uniform. We need to undergo 2 months of training, sleepless nights, countless exams, 2 manuals that we need to memorize not only by our minds, but most importantly, by heart. In flight, we are not only servers. We are firefighters, first aiders, security officers, customer service representatives, and the frontliners of the company. Now that we already have our wings, our journey begins. It will still be a learning process as we start flying, but we will carry with us all the learnings and values imparted to us. We are ready to face the challenge. We are ready to live our lifelong dream. We will see you in the skies. We are CebGo Batch 10. We will be flying now.